Hello guys, myself Amit Moya from Stepping Stone Intermediate College, Ratananagar. So I have made a physics project on logic gates. Uh, uh, I will show you my project that is based on logic gates. As you seen in this project, I have made 3 gates. First is and second is or, and third is not. So in logic gates we have some inputs and some outputs. As you have seen, there are here this is inputs and there is an output. In the AND gate, first we show you an AND gate. So here is 2 inputs A and B, and C is an output. So when the both inputs are true, then the output is true. So if any one of the input is false, then the output is not true. So let us see how AND gate works. So when the input A is on, let's see, when the input A is on, then the output is not on. Means there is no signal in C. So not signal in output. So if we off the A and on the B, then there is also not an output in C. So if we on the both signals, then the output C is on. So the working of AND gate is simple. When the both inputs are on, then the output is on. Okay. So the working of AND gate is like this. This two table follows the AND by the AND gate. So next gate we will discuss is OR gate. In this gate also there are 2 inputs. First is A and second is B. Sorry. In this gate, when any input is true, then the output is true. So let's demonstrate how this OR gate works. So if input A is on, then output C is on. So if A is off or B is on, so there will be also a output. And if we both on the inputs or both the inputs are true, then the output is true. So basically OR gate is working like this. If any input is true, then the circuit output is true. So now third gate is NOT gate. Third gate is NOT gate. In this only one input is there. First is A, that is A, in which it converts true signal to false signal and false signal to low. So here it is signal is off, so the input is off and output is true. So if I on the input but the output is off, so it converts the input into the output by inversion. So here when the input is on, and if input is on, then output is off. So thank you guys. This is my project on logic gates. Thank you.